In this video, we are going to be looking at how to install Fundorex, that is crowdfunding and donation platform script. So after purchasing of this script, you just go straight to our cPanel. So let me go straight to my cPanel. So from my cPanel, I go to my file manager. So from my file manager, I go to my subdomain. If I'm using a domain, I will come to my public HTML. But in this regard, I'm using a subdomain, which is this. Then next, I have already uploaded my script. Next, I'm going to extract it. I right click, then I click on extract. Extract files. After extracting, I click on close. Then I open it. Then next, I select all. I right click to move to root folder. So I'm moving to the root folder. Then move files. Next, I click on up one level. I have successfully uploaded my script to my file manager. Then next, I go to back to my cPanel. Then to my database, scroll down. So scroll down to my database, my SQL databases. So let me name my database as this. I click on create database. So next, after the database is created, I click on go back. So after creating the database, next I'm going to create the user. Let me name this user as this. Then next I click on create user. The user has been created successfully. I click on go back. Next, I'm going to add user to the database. Add user to database. It has selected it for me automatically, so I just click on add. I click on all privileges, then move down to make changes. Now I have successfully added the user to the database. So next I go to my subdomain, which is this. Then enter. So next I go to install wizard. So I scroll down. Okay. I agree. Next. So here my database name. Let me come back here to select my database name. Copy. So I go back to it after I've copied it. Okay. Database username. There's my database username. Database name. That's my database name. Then I scroll down to fill the other details. Admin, let me see admin. Username, let me see admin. Let me see admin at admin.com. Admin at admin.com. Okay. Check the database connection. So now visit site. Everything is in order. Now I have successfully installed the scripts, as you can see. From here I can go to anywhere. Home, about, pages. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and use the engagement link to engage me to help me install the scripts. Also for your customization, please use the engagement link to engage me to help you. And also don't forget, if this video is helpful, please link in the description to buy me coffee. Thank you.